students, welcome back to the building block section video part 2. Now we will study about simple future tense. What is simple future tense? Future means जो कि अभी होगा, जो कि हुआ नहीं है. तो simple future tense हमें कौन से एक्शन के बारे में बताता है? जो कि फ्यूचर में होगा. That will happen in future. अभी हुआ नहीं है और हो भी नहीं रहा. It will happen in future. ठीक है. इसका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल ऑब्लिक शैल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. विल इज यूज्ड विथ ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है. whether plural or singular, and shall is used only with plural subjects. Okay. Now shall is totally useless nowadays. We don't use shall. Will is always used. I will. Okay. We will. He will. Shall is now out of use. So let's move towards the structure. He will drink coffee. वह कॉफी पिएगा. Okay. Then she will watch a movie tomorrow. जो एक्शन नियर फ्यूचर में होगा उसको हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में लिखते हैं. We will play cricket in evening. ठीक है. तो जो एक्शन फ्यूचर में होगा उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें जिस सेंटेंस में मिलती है वो कहलाता है सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. लेट्स मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स वर्क. We use simple future tense to talk about an action that will place in future. I will go to birthday party in the evening. Sita will sing a song tomorrow. To talk about a forecast or a future situation. किसी future situation के बारे में जब हम बताते हैं, of course it will be in simple future tense. She will come first in class. The project will be a success. Now the form of future tense. Simple future tense. Affirmative form. Will write, will go. I, you, he, she. Affirmative. Will. Of course in positive form we use will. पर जब नेगेटिव बन जाता है तो हम क्या यूज कर लेते हैं? will not. और will not को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? और won't. ठीक है. Words like tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, etc. may be used to suggest the future time. We also use shall to show the future tense, as I had already mentioned. Okay. Now 3 sentences in simple future tense. Any 3 sentences you can write like this. He will drink coffee. She will watch a movie tomorrow. We will play cricket in the evening. We will go for picnic next week. Okay. So anyway we can use the simple future tense. Now the next part of the future tense, that is future continuous tense. Future में जो काम continuity में होगा उसे हम किस में मेंशन करते हैं? future continuous tense में. Which shows the continuity of action in future. Let's move on towards the subject. Sorry, sentence structure. Subject plus will shall. इसमें हम और क्या जोड़ते हैं? be. Again continuity. be1 plus ing form plus object. ठीक है. So subject, I will be going for world tour next week. ठीक है. We will be shifting house when? Next week. So subject plus will shall plus be plus be1 plus ing plus object. Then I will be going for world tour next week. We will be shifting house next week. Now again the future continuous tense is formed as will be plus verb plus ing. The affirmative form will be shall be, and negative form will be, will not be, and shall not be. Okay, let's move on towards the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with future continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Sheena will be working night shifts from Friday. I will be walking, or I shall be walking home from my office. We will be waiting for Ronald at the airport. Mother will be inviting my friends over for a tea party. So the remaining ones are the homework. Let's move on towards the practice book. My turn 4, then my turn 5. You have to do up by yourself. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for listening.